Section 1, number 6, you're going to find the coordinate of the missing endpoint if P is the midpoint of NQ, and then you have N and P as that value. So let's graph this first on a coordinate grid to see what we are referring to. Okay, so it seems like we have this value of 2, 0, which is right here, of value N. Then we have the P value, which is 5, 2. Okay, and then we connect it. This is the end, and this is the midpoint. Okay, we want the other end somewhere here. All right, how do we do that? Well, we can just apply the slope again, because notice to go from N to P, we went up 1, 2, then we went to the right 1, 2, 3. So now we just apply that again, up to 1, 2, then across 1, 2, 3. Then this is the new endpoint of Q. All right, so we have the P value here, which was 5, 2, and then we added 2 to the Y because that is going up to. Then we added 3 to the X value that goes to the right. So the new value for Q, 5 plus 3 is 8. 2 plus 2, it is 4. Okay, that is how we find this new endpoint. We just apply the slope again on the midpoint to get that new endpoint.